everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Learning Therapy. In today's video, let's see the most iconic and enticing Montessori material. This is called Pink Tower, which is designed by Dr. Maria Montessori, and you will find it in each and every Montessori classroom. So this consists of 10 wooden cubes, but here you can see I have personally made with the help of cardboard. Here the children learn in play-by method and concept-based learning. All these material is designed in such a way that the child self-correct and material itself teach about the core concept of what it is about. Now you can also see, hey, it's just a stick of block, but it's more than that. This material is mainly designed to work with sensorial area, like children not only play and learn but also develop their senses like feeling, touching and seeing. So this helps in developing their IQ or intelligence. So here you can see all these 10 cubes are of same color, so child focuses on only one important quality of material is size. So it improves the visual skill. Now let's see how we teach them. First we have to keep them randomly and take the biggest cube and keep in front of them. Hold them by using both the hand and with your 3 fingers. Now let's see how my child is going to do with this cubes. So let's start. So for staking this, she uses her visual skill to discriminate the sizes from the biggest to smallest one. You can also develop the math concept like 1 to 10, the decimal number 1 to 10, and also the language like cube, small, big, smallest, biggest, big, bigger, biggest, small, smallest, smallest. So all these are in the language part. And when the child lifts the biggest cube and realizes the weight, it registers in their brain that the biggest cube is the heaviest one and the smallest cube is the lighter one. Here the child learns self-control by doing this activity exactly, but at first time when their child is introduced with this material, they may not be able to do exactly. When they repeatedly do this activity, they will develop their eye-hand coordination, and also at the end by using their visual perception they develop the self-correct themselves. So here you can see, you can also teach the elder kids like this cube has 6 faces like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's see big and small. It covers the language. You can teach the child this is a big cube and this is small cube. There is a comparison, the visual discrimination is happening, and for big, bigger, biggest also you can do it same way like small, smaller, smallest. Now we'll see for big, bigger and biggest. So for this we need 3 cubes. Big, bigger, biggest. So you can repeat this: big, bigger, biggest. So this is for small, smaller, smallest. Again we need 3 cube with a different dimension. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Now after teaching them, we can also question them like, where is smallest one? Show me the small one. Small cube. Yes, very good. Now give me the smaller one. So here small, smaller, smallest. Now we'll see big, bigger, biggest. Touch the biggest one. Take bigger one. Now move the big cube. Now move the big cube front. Yes. So like this you can develop the language with the help of these cubes. Friends, in my next video I'll show you how to make this pink tower with the help of cardboard. It's very easy. So thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.